typhoid fever and the treatment of typhoid fever. As regard typhoid fever vaccination, there are two types of vaccination. Vaccine through injection and the other through tablets. And we give them to travelers to endemic areas. So, as regards this treatment, we can give the patient ceftriaxone injection in severe cases, or sometimes ciprofloxacin tablets. This depends on the clinical condition of the patient. As regards the diagnosis of typhoid fever, we depend on blood culture, and sometimes we can make blood or stool cultures to diagnose the disease.